Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. I am Resident Diwane, name 1901440 and tier 33 class 5A, and this time I will explain conclusion about how to construct speaking test and how to mark speaking test. The first, self-assessment and encourages the student to become part of the world's process of language learning and to be aware of individual progress. Fent and Tiduk 1998 state the self-assessment form of assessment. A learner does this by listening to himself, assessment appearance and behavior, and by the way they say in reply. Teacher assessment, instead of being based on a 10-minute test, a teacher assessment will be based on 10 hours exposures to the learner's language in a variety of activities on and station. Teacher assessment, therefore, can be carried out either on the spot or as a continuous assessment over a period of time. Peer assessment. Students can assess one another. This assessment can be done by listening to their friends when they speak and the way they behave and respond to their friends. Sequencing test technique is one which will present an overall features of oral proficiency sequence which may either be fixed in advance or left to the interviewer's discretion and experience. The reasons are that it is more authentic to use a mix of techniques. A fair experience. A fair test. Sequencing test techniques. Oral test usually consists of support techniques of place in variable or easier to mark. And live test with support different part is more flexible and can be adapted quickly to meet changing circumstances or different needs. Computer and language testing. Item banking, computer assisted language testing, computerized adaptive language testing, and research on the effectiveness of computers in language testing, role plays, interviews, composition, oral presentation. Elicitation technique of oral test, discussion, conversation to people having a conversation on a topic of common interest. It is also the hardest to make happen in the framework of a language test. Sumai 1998 points out the one difficulty in testing conversation ability, especially at higher levels, is deciding what information students should be responsible. Oral report. The learning prepares and gives an oral presentation about 5 to 10 minutes. He is expected to report to notes but not reading a lot. Role play. The learner is asked to take on a particular role and to imagine himself in that role in a particular situation. Direct face-to-face exchange between learner and the most common of all oral tests is the interview, questions and answers. This typically consists of a series of disconnected questions which are graded in order of increasing difficulty, starting with short simple questions and working up to long and complex sentences. Using a feature or feature story, the learner is given a features is or sequence of features located before the test starts, giving instruction, description, explanation. The learner describes at home blank a well-known object. Retelling story from oral or written stimulus. The learner hears a short passage or story on Onai recorded passage or reads it to himself and is asked to retell it or summarize it immediately afterwards. Reading aloud, the learners read aloud to the interviewers either a passage of text or part of a dialogue in which the interviewers or another learner reads the other parts. Translate interpreting, the interviewers choose a passage or series of passages from a native language text and ask the learner to translate into the French language. Sentence repetition, the learner hears a series of sentences or utterances and repeats them as accurately as he can. How to mark speaking test. Marking system. Getting the learners to say something accurately is only half of the job. Scoring the test is equally challenging. Under Hill 1987 classifies the scoring system into 8 procedures: marking recorded oral tests, marking case or marking protocols, marking categories, writing class, impression marking, additive marking, and subtractive marking. And the first, marking recorded, namely oral tests. Oral tests can be recorded on video or audio tape so that they can be marked later. Listen to what the learner says as often as they want. Marking case, namely or marking protocols, aims to save time, certainly by specifying in advance as far as is possible how markers should approach the marking of each question's text. Mark categories. In mark categories, the marker is asked to give each learner a favorite mark for each category. These separate marks are then combined to give the overall score, either by simple addition by the process of weighting, namely is a process by which marks are awarded out of the same total for different mark categories, and these mark shares then multiplied by different factors to give the more or less influence in the total score. Writing class, namely its purpose is to describe briefly what the typical learner at each level can do, so that it is easier for as assessor to decide what level or scale to give each learner in a test. Impression marking. The assessor awards a mark based on the learner's overall performance without picking out any special features or using a counting system for errors. Additive marking. A mark is awarded for each of these features that the learner proves correctly, and these marks are added to give the score. Subtractive marking, namely the assessor subtract one mark from a total for each mistake the learner makes, down to a minimum of